Depression is a heavy burden, isn't it? It's a complex condition that touches the lives of millions around the world, affecting not just the mind and emotions, but often the body and spirit too. It can feel like a dark cloud that follows you, making even the simplest tasks feel overwhelming. While medical treatment and therapy are absolutely vital tools for navigating depression, many people also find themselves searching for something more, a deeper sense of peace or connection. This search often leads to exploring spiritual practices as a path toward healing. It's about looking beyond the immediate symptoms to nurture the whole self. It's important to say upfront that spiritual healing is not a replacement for professional medical care, therapy, or prescribed medication. Depression is a serious health condition that requires appropriate medical attention. However, spiritual practices can offer profound support and complement traditional treatments beautifully. Spiritual healing can help address the emotional, mental, and sometimes even the deeper soul-level wounds that can contribute to or be exacerbated by depression. It offers tools to connect with something larger than yourself, finding meaning and resilience when you feel lost or disconnected. It's about nurturing your inner world. It provides a framework for understanding suffering, finding hope, and cultivating inner strength. While it doesn't magically erase depression, it can significantly shift your perspective and provide comfort during difficult times. It's a journey of gentle self-discovery and connection. Spiritual practices come in many forms, and what resonates with one person may differ for another. The key is finding practices that bring you a sense of peace, connection, and grounding. These practices can become anchors when the waves of depression feel overwhelming. Meditation and mindfulness are powerful tools for calming the restless mind that often accompanies depression. They teach you to observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment, creating space between you and the difficult emotions. This practice can reduce anxiety and bring moments of clarity. By focusing on the present moment, even for just a few minutes, you can step out of the cycle of rumination about the past or worry about the future. It's about gently training your attention and finding stillness within. This can feel like a small sanctuary in a busy, noisy mind. Regular practice can help you develop a greater awareness of your internal landscape. You learn to recognize difficult emotions as temporary states, not defining truths about yourself. This awareness is a crucial step in managing depressive symptoms and building emotional resilience. Mindfulness isn't about emptying your mind. It's about paying attention on purpose. It helps you notice the small moments of beauty or peace that might otherwise be missed. Even on tough days, finding one small thing to be present with can make a difference. For many, prayer and faith provide a deep sense of hope, purpose, and connection to a higher power or universal energy. This connection can combat feelings of isolation and hopelessness that are common in depression. It offers a source of strength outside of yourself. Expressing your fears, pain, and hopes through prayer can be incredibly cathartic. It's a way of releasing burdens and feeling heard, even when you feel alone. Faith can provide a framework of meaning, helping you understand your struggles within a larger context. Belonging to a faith community can also provide invaluable social support, which is crucial for mental well-being. Sharing your journey with others who understand your spiritual path can create a powerful sense of belonging and mutual support. It reminds you that you are not walking this path alone. Faith can instill a belief in a brighter future, even when the present feels dark. It offers a sense of purpose and guidance, helping you navigate challenges with greater resilience. This spiritual foundation can be a source of enduring comfort. Cultivating gratitude, even for the smallest things, can help shift your perspective away from what feels lacking or painful. It trains your mind to notice the positive aspects of life, which can be incredibly challenging, but also incredibly healing when you're depressed. It's a gentle practice of appreciation. Forgiveness, whether of yourself or others, is a powerful act of releasing emotional burdens. Holding on to anger, resentment, or guilt can weigh heavily on the spirit and exacerbate depressive feelings. Letting go, even gradually, can create space for healing. Practicing self-compassion and self-forgiveness is especially important when dealing with depression, as self-blame is often present. Recognizing your struggles with kindness and understanding is a vital part of the healing process. You deserve that same compassion you might offer a friend. These practices help reframe negative thought patterns and cultivate a more positive internal environment. They are active choices to focus on healing and release the past. It's a conscious effort to nurture your inner peace. Connecting with the natural world can be a deeply spiritual and restorative experience. Spending time outdoors, whether in a park, forest, or by water, can help reconnect you to life's rhythm and restore a sense of peace. Nature has a calming effect on the nervous system. Being in nature reminds you of the cycles of growth, decay, and renewal, which can offer perspective on your own struggles. It provides a sense of grounding and presence, pulling you out of your head and into the physical world. The simple beauty can be a balm for the soul. The vastness of nature can also help put your problems into perspective. It reminds you that you are part of something much larger and enduring. This connection can reduce feelings of isolation and insignificance. It's a gentle reminder of your place in the world. Even a short walk or simply sitting quietly outdoors can reduce stress and lift your mood. It's a simple yet profound way to nurture your spirit and find moments of respite. Let the natural world hold you for a while. Connecting with others, whether through spiritual communities, support groups, or acts of service, is fundamental to spiritual and emotional healing. Helping others or receiving genuine support creates a powerful sense of connection and purpose. We are not meant to heal in isolation. Sharing your experiences with understanding individuals can alleviate feelings of shame and loneliness. Knowing that you are not alone in your struggles is incredibly validating and empowering. Community provides a safety net and a source of encouragement. Practicing compassion, both towards yourself and others, is a core spiritual principle that fosters healing. Extending kindness and understanding breaks down barriers and builds connection. It creates a ripple effect of positive energy. Engaging in acts of service or volunteering can shift your focus outward, providing a sense of purpose and accomplishment. Contributing to the well-being of others can be a powerful antidote to feelings of helplessness and despair. It reminds you of your inherent worth and ability to make a difference. While spiritual healing can be deeply comforting and supportive, it is crucial to reiterate that it works best when integrated with professional medical support. Depression has biological, chemical, and psychological roots that often require intervention from trained healthcare professionals. Therapy, counseling, and sometimes medication are essential components of treating depression for many individuals. Spiritual practices can enhance these treatments by providing emotional support, coping mechanisms, and a sense of meaning, but they are not a substitute for them. Think of it as building a strong bridge with multiple supports. Ignoring the need for professional help while solely relying on spiritual practices can be detrimental. A balanced approach that honors both the spiritual and the medical aspects of healing offers the most comprehensive path toward recovery and well-being. It's about caring for your whole self. Your doctor or therapist can provide diagnosis, treatment plans, and support tailored to your specific needs. Combining their expertise with your chosen spiritual practices creates a powerful synergy for healing. It's about using all the tools available to you. So, is spiritual healing a path to overcoming depression? Yes, it absolutely can be a vital and enriching path, especially when walked alongside professional care. It offers profound ways to nurture the heart, find inner peace, and connect with something meaningful. Spiritual practices provide tools for navigating difficult emotions, finding hope, and building resilience. They remind us of our inherent worth and our connection to something larger than ourselves. They offer comfort and strength when we feel weakest. Most importantly, spiritual healing, particularly through community, reminds us of a fundamental truth. We are not alone. You are not alone in your struggle, and there are paths to healing that encompass mind, body, and spirit. Embrace the journey with compassion for yourself.